friends and welcome to our channel All Rounder Siblings. Today we are going to learn how to make the flowers from paper from cone shape. But before starting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications very soon. So let's start. First we need the material to make it, and the material are Fevicol, scissor, pencil, eraser and scale. These are the common things. Cardboard, some chart paper and compass. Compass with fitted pencil, and this is all the material that we need to make the flower. First we need the compass and the cardboard, and we will take the measurement of 9.5 centimeter in the compass and make the circle and then cut it very carefully with the help of scissor. Cut it very carefully with the help of scissor, or you can use the thermocol cutter. After cutting the circle in the cardboard, we need the chart paper of pink color, or you can use any color, and make the circle of same size, means with the radius of 9.5 centimeter in the on the chart paper, and cut it and paste it on this cardboard. After pasting the chart paper on the cardboard, it will look like this. Now we should have to make the cones of the chart paper, and the first step is to take the chart paper or the colorful sheets of your choice and take the measurement of 8 centimeter both side. 8 centimeter, or you can take the measurement of your choice. After taking the measurement, you should cut it we should have to cut these type of squares, so many, from all the colors. The squares are of 8 centimeter. It should not turn into rectangle. Because of it will not give the perfect shape of cone. After cutting all the squares of different colors of your choice, we should have to make the cones. So firstly we will take this point and this point, means opposite points, and turn it like this and make the cone, just like bel puri cones that we get from outside. Now we will paste this and make the cone. We will paste it very carefully and the cone is ready. Now you should have to make so many cones that you have cut of all the colors in the same way. As I told you how to make the cones, I have readied all the cones like this of 2 colors. You can use the colors of your choice, and the measurement should be very clear, means if the cones are of 8 centimeter, then the size of this circle, means the the radius should be 9.5. So now it's time for pasting this all. Now you should have to mark the center of the cardboard and take the here I am taking the pink color cones and pasting them like from the point to the end like this. Now take the cone and apply the Fevicol on the back side, means this side, not the joint side. Apply the Fevicol from the top to the end, and after applying you should take the point and then paste it like this. For pasting it from the bottom you should take your finger inside the cones and then press it very carefully. You should have to make the one layer of pink color. After pasting the one layer of pink cones, it will look like this. It is the work of patience, so you should have to take the patience after pasting for drying it. Okay. Now I am taking the yellow cones and pasting it on the pink color cones for making the layer like this. See, in the same way as I told you to paste the pink color cones, you should also paste the yellow color cones similarly. In this, the space between these two cones, we should have to paste the yellow color cone, means for other layering. See this layer very carefully, otherwise it will not look very beautiful. After pasting the both layers, it will look like this. This is yellow and this is pink. It is looking very beautiful. And now I am going to paste the yellow color cones again. Means there are two layers of yellow colored cones. Keep in mind that the cone that we are pasting should be in the space that two cones have joined. This space should be covered. Now we will paste all the yellow cones in the middle and cover it from yellow. In the same way we will paste. Okay. You should have to leave it for half an hour just for pasting and drying, by which it will get very strong. And the last cone in the middle. As I am showing you, it will somewhere looking like a lotus flower. The petals are of yellow color and the bottom petals are of pink color. So it is ready to hang. For hanging you should take some thread or ribbon and paste it from here before pasting the cones. First layer of cone. So now it's ready to decorate your home or your classroom for the students. Thank you.